कमजोरी है कमजोरी। ये चूरन सुबह शाम ऐसी ताकत देगा, हाथ टूट जाए पर उंगलियां नहीं चटकेंगी।
अरे बेटा ये तो गुड लक होता है।
ओके चलिए, हम लिविंग फॉर द एग्जाम।
उंगलियां चटका लेना।
Well, that's quite a unique theory. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's decode the myth behind knuckle cracking with isolatics. Let's go. There is a fluid in our joints called the synovial fluid that helps to lubricate and cushion the joint movement. When we crack our knuckles, we apply a quick force, causing a separation of the joint surfaces. The pressure in the synovial fluid decreases, creates tiny nitrogen gas bubbles. When those bubbles rapidly collapse back in the fluid, they create the popping sound. Does it really cause arthritis? Absolutely not. A doctor named Donald Unger cracked the knuckles of his left hand for like 60 years. Yes, you heard it right, 60 years. And after 36,500 knuckles later, he found both the hands arthritis free. Absolutely, cracking knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, nor it brings any kind of good luck. But its sound can irritate the people around. Excessive or forceful cracking can lead to inflammation or damage. Moderation is the key.